Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I just want to share a bit of a hair care tip for you on tension. Tension on the hair, tension on the scalp. Let's get into it. Yes, so I always stress the importance of caring for your natural hair, doing the right things, because there are a lot of things we do. The rain is it's raining like crazy outside. Anyway, there are a lot of things that we do that is not the correct thing, and we are trying to get the result, but we're still not reaching to it. Now we may be doing so many other things that is right, but then you may be doing this one thing and it's causing a lot of damage than good, and tension on the hair and the scalp is one of them. I did a video on hair breakage and I list out some of the things that can cause hair breakage, but I do want to stress on tension, which I did not mention, and this a lot of people suffer from this part because, again, it's the trending thing, it's what's going, want to be in the in thing. But if what you're doing is causing damage to your hair, does it really worth it? Think about it. And you want longer hair, thicker hair, healthier hair, does it worth it? Now, if you're doing a protective style and it is causing tension on the scalp, nope, that is not a protective style. A protective style should protect your hair from the element, and also you're giving it a break from manipulation. But it should not be in the way where your hair is being destroyed in the process of it. So you can style your own hair, do braid up, or you want to put in extension, weave, braid. You can do that, but it should never bring damage to your hair. Also, wigs. Now, a lot of people in the lace wigs and always looking fly. Okay, but one problem you can have with that, which too many people have lost their edges. Too many. Because if the scalp is not able to breathe and it is tight, it's going to cause the hair to break or to fall out. Again, which can cause traction alopecia. And a lot of people suffer from traction alopecia. They may not know it, but if your hair is not, you're having problems growing back your edges, you possibly have traction alopecia. Now, this can be reversed, but if you don't pay attention to it in time, it can lead up to full alopecia. So I just want to give this information so people can be aware when you're going to do a style, to make sure, yes, you're doing a style, and braids can be a protective style. Weave, crochet, all these things can be a protective style because you're putting the hair away. But again, also, even for your bonnet or your silk scarf that you may use to tie your head at night, right? If it is resting right here, no. When you tie it and it stops here, no. Make sure it comes on your forehead. When you tie it, it's right here and not here, because if it consistently rests in here, you're going to lose your edges. So just to look at that, you're protecting your hair from not being dried out by the pillowcase, but at the same time doing that, because of the way you're tying it, it causes you to be losing your edges. So I just want you to keep all this in mind going forward in your hair journey, for longer length, for thicker hair, for healthier hair. I just want to share this tip with you as you go. Let us do this. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, leave your comments in the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. God bless. Bye.